we are going to do an activity so that we are going to learn how oil harms the animals. Take an empty bowl, fill it with water completely so that your toy will get dip into it. Okay. Now this is only water. Oil is not there. Huh? Take your small toys. This is sea animals. Okay, this is hippopotamus and this is rhinoceros. I dip it into water. Okay. Now oil is not there. Inside water, what do you see? Anything happened? Nothing. Okay. It will get just washed into it. It comes out. Okay. Let's see the crocodile. The crocodile goes inside the water. Okay. This is clear water. Okay. We assume it as sea water. Okay. Anything happened? Nothing happened. It gets washed up. It is as fresh as a flower in the morning. Okay. Let's see one more. Okay. Let's dip into it. Anything happened? No. It just get washed it. Okay. This is okay. Now what happens? If suppose a ship comes and the oil spills over the sea. I am putting oil into it. Okay. Now you can see oil over water. Now what will happen? Rhinoceros goes into the water where oil is there. Hippopotamus also goes. Okay, you also put your toy inside it and see what happens. Okay, now I take out my rhinoceros. See what happened. Oil is there all over. Can you see this? See this. This is also completely covered with oil. Let's put other toys also. Now my crocodile goes into it, into the water which consists of oil. I take it out. See what happens. All over oil is there. Can you see? Now I'm going to put Pokemon also inside it. See how dirty it has become. The oil is dirty. The oil makes the water dirty. It is oil all over it. And what happens to sea animals? This is what same thing happened to sea animals when oil spills over the sea. And then what happens to the birds like ducks or gull that was there in our chapter? What happens? All the wings are covered with oil like this. Can you see, children? And then what happens? Their wings becomes heavier and they are not able to flap the wings. It becomes heavier and they are not able to flap the wings and they are not able to fly. And when they are not able to fly, what are they going to do? In water, you cannot walk and come, right? And then it becomes very difficult for them to fly and many a times they die. They get drowned in water because of this oil and they die. What do you mean by drown? Get down into the water and die. Now,